Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we bring you interesting and informative content about various topics. In today's video, we'll be talking about Wells Fargo, one of the biggest and most popular banks in the United States. Wells Fargo was founded in 1852 in San Francisco, California, and has since become a household name in the banking industry. Today, the bank serves millions of customers across the country, providing a wide range of financial services and products. So, without further ado, let's dive into everything you need to know about Wells Fargo. First, let's talk about the history of Wells Fargo. As mentioned earlier, the bank was founded in 1852 by Henry Wells and William Fargo. Originally, the company provided express delivery services, but later expanded to offer banking services as well. Over the years, Wells Fargo has been involved in several historic events, including the California Gold Rush, the Pony Express, and the building of the Transcontinental Railroad. Today, the bank is one of the oldest and most respected financial institutions in the United States. Now, let's talk about the services that Wells Fargo provides. The bank offers a wide range of financial products, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, personal loans, mortgages, and investment services. Wells Fargo is also known for its mobile banking app, which allows customers to check their account balances, transfer money, pay bills, and even deposit checks from their mobile devices. In addition, Wells Fargo has a large network of ATMs and branches across the country, making it easy for customers to access their money and speak with a banking representative when needed. Wells Fargo has also been involved in several positive initiatives over the years. The bank has a strong commitment to community involvement and philanthropy, donating millions of dollars to various organizations and causes. For example, Wells Fargo has a program called Neighborhood Lift, which provides down payment assistance and financial education to low and moderate income homebuyers. The bank has also partnered with organizations like Habitat for Humanity and the American Red Cross to provide support to those in need. Now, we'll be looking at some of the main ways in which the company generates revenue. Wells Fargo has a variety of revenue streams that help to keep the company profitable. So, let's dive in and explore some of these revenue-generating sources. One of the primary ways that Wells Fargo generates revenue is through interest income. This is the income the company earns from the interest it charges on loans and other financial products. For example, if you take out a mortgage or a car loan from Wells Fargo, you'll pay interest on the amount you borrow, and this interest generates revenue for the company. Another significant source of revenue for Wells Fargo comes from service charges. These are the fees the company charges its customers for various services, such as ATM withdrawals, overdrafts, and wire transfers. These fees can add up quickly and contribute significantly to the company's revenue. Wells Fargo also generates revenue through its credit card business. The company issues a variety of credit cards to its customers, each with different rewards and benefits. The interest charged on credit card balances, along with annual fees and other charges, generate significant revenue for the company. Wells Fargo also has a strong investment banking business, which generates revenue through underwriting, advisory services, and trading activities. The company provides these services to corporations and institutional clients, helping them to raise capital, issue debt, and manage their investments. Wells Fargo generates revenue through its wealth management business. The company provides a range of services to high-net-worth individuals, including financial planning, investment management, and trust services. The fees charged for these services generate revenue for the company. Now, we'll be conducting a SWOT analysis of Wells Fargo. A SWOT analysis is a tool used to assess a company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. By examining these 4 areas, we can gain a better understanding of the company's current position and potential future trajectory. So, let's dive in and explore Wells Fargo's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. First, let's look at Wells Fargo's strengths. One of the company's greatest strengths is its size and scale. As one of the largest banking and financial services companies in the United States, Wells Fargo has significant resources at its disposal. The company's strong brand recognition and reputation are also important strengths, as they help to attract and retain customers. In addition, Wells Fargo's diverse business lines, which include banking, wealth management, and investment banking, provide a strong foundation for growth and profitability. Next, let's examine Wells Fargo's weaknesses. One of the company's biggest weaknesses is its recent history of scandals and legal issues. These scandals have damaged the company's reputation and led to hefty fines and a loss of public trust. Another weakness is the company's relatively low interest rate margins, which can limit its profitability. In addition, Wells Fargo's branch network is concentrated in certain regions, which can limit its growth potential in other areas. Moving on to opportunities, there are several areas where Wells Fargo can capitalize on potential growth. One opportunity is the company's focus on digital banking and technology. As more customers move towards digital banking solutions, Wells Fargo can invest in its technology platforms to provide a seamless and user-friendly experience. Another opportunity is the company's focus on sustainability and social responsibility. By investing in sustainable business practices and supporting socially responsible initiatives, Wells Fargo can differentiate itself from its competitors and attract socially conscious customers. Finally, let's look at Wells Fargo's threats. One of the biggest threats to the company is increased competition from fintech startups and other non-traditional financial services companies. These companies can offer innovative solutions and often have lower overhead costs, making it difficult for established banks like Wells Fargo to compete. Another threat is regulatory and legal risks, as the banking industry is heavily regulated and subject to frequent changes in laws and regulations. Finally, economic factors such as interest rate changes and economic downturns can also pose threats to Wells Fargo's profitability. And that's a wrap on our detailed analysis of Wells Fargo. We hope you found this video insightful and informative. Whether you're a customer, investor, or just someone interested in the banking and financial services industry, we hope you gained a better understanding of Wells Fargo's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content. We'll be bringing you more interesting and informative videos on a wide range of topics. Also, let us know in the comments below if there are any other companies or industries you'd like us to analyze in the future. We're always open to suggestions. Thanks for joining us on our YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next one.